and we started just a couple of months ago, and leading a team of, say, 15, 20 of them. As you keep progressing, right, when you're growing a business, when you're growing a vertical, you need to start taking some difficult decisions, right? So you hire some, as you progress in the journey, you realize maybe they are not the right fit. You want to probably take them out of the ecosystem, right? But there's a lot of guilt attached because you were the first, I mean, in the first place, you hired them, right? You thought they would be perfect for the role, but now you don't see a space for them. You need to fire them. You need to take those difficult decisions. There's a lot of guilt attached when you start moving up the hierarchy, some difficult decisions, the whole thing around karma, what goes around comes around, right? So how do you deal? Anything from Ramayana or Mahabharata to learn from this to deal with, when you are taking difficult decisions?
So, what is Krishna saying? Take your decision objectively. Just because you don't like the face of somebody, yeah, don't fire them. Or just because you think they are smarter than you. This happens all the time, na? Many a times, bosses cannot handle a junior who's smarter than them, right? And that leads to ego issues and a lot of those things. If that is the reason for firing, then obviously that's not correct. But after having done objective assessment, right? Very objectively, having allowed the person chances to improve or whatever, then what do you do, yeah? So then take a decision not being attached. It is possible that that person will go and badmouth you. It is possible that the person will give you gali, right? All that will happen. And you will have to probably take it. Take it in the sense, a part of the game, right? But if you don't take the decision, अरे बाप रे मेरे को क्या बोलेगा, अरे बाप रे लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अरे बाकी टीम वाले क्या बोलेंगे, then your action is not going to be objective, right? Then other things, emotions, this that will come in. Then you will not make the right call. So take the decision because it must be done. Now, why are you taking that decision? Are you taking it for yourself? You're taking it for the larger cause. So what is Krishna saying? Make me as in he's saying you be the nimitta for doing dharma, yeah? And everything else you surrender to me. So that larger force, and he's saying everything else, just be the nimitta, do because it must be done. Whose interest? Not your personal interest, but for the larger interest. In here, the larger interest is that of the company. So if you do it objectively, you will still feel bad, humans hai, but you must.